as a general reference, this is what I had in mind for today, and here's a quick preview of the end result. If you want to have the exact same setup, the only change I did is you go to preferences, grids and units, set to millimeters, and here is the size for the grid size. And that's it. Let's delete with X the default cube, zoom in a bit, and I'm going to grab a circle, start from the origin point, press tab. It's going to be 80 millimeters. The sizes are more or less approximate because we only have one dimension and the picture is in perspective, so I had to improvise a bit, but I think we will do fine. Now I'm going to add another circle. This one, press tab, I'm going to make it 235 millimeters, press enter, and I'm going to the side view, grab with G, press Z, and type 220. Going to press enter to confirm, and I'm going to make an arc here. Let me snap to grid and set it to 10 millimeters. So to grab an arc, hold this, and I'm going to start here and connect it to this point, and where it says closest, I'm going to put to click left my mouse button, and now to make it go around, sweep or shift P and click here, enter. You don't necessarily have to make it exactly like this, but I think this one turned out quite right. To add a cut here, what I'm going to do is grab the line, use this point, and you see that it says the angle. If I press tab twice, I'm going to type 40 here and 300 length, enter again, C, select the vase, enter to confirm, X to delete this part because we don't need it anymore. Now I'm going to grab this curve at the bottom and Shift D, Z, and put it at 500. That's going to be 50 centimeters. And if you want to loft it directly, first of all, if I did this selection, I most likely selected this curve instead of the border here, so I'm going to hide that. You see that it's going to be straight and we don't want that, so what I'm going to do is duplicate this. I'm going to bring this a bit down, so Shift D and move it, I guess to 2 millimeters is fine. So now if I select with Shift all three in that order and press L, G0, now is better. Now the problem is this part here doesn't have a nice curvature to it, so I'm going to add one curve there to serve it as a guide. I'm going to use spline curve, should be fine. So press there. Let's see if this works. So select all of them, L, G0, with Shift. I'm going to press this one, and it works nicely. If by any chance it doesn't, because it happened to me with different sizes, for some reason it gave an error, I just disabled this here, so I pressed it, and now you see that it's black, and it for some reason worked. But here it's not needed, that's just in case. So okay, or enter, and we are almost there. Should be quick. So this curve, I don't want to select the curve. I hide it, and I want to select this edge, and I'm going to patch it. So it's like that. In fact, I think I don't need any curve, so let's hide all of them. With 4, I'm going to select this. With Shift, select the other one. Press J to join. Now it's only one object, one sheet. If I go here, select this edge, and if you go this way, it's not chamfer, so this way is a nice rounded effect. I'm going to put it to 20 and 20 G2 curvature, or maybe 25. 25. Okay, let's go 25. I'm also selecting this one, and I'm going to add some here. I'm not sure exactly the size. Let's see, maybe less. If you have this enabled, the grid snap, if you press Ctrl while you do it, if by any chance you have the snap selection, you see that it allows you to go freely, or just obviously disabled. Let's see, 10, 10. Okay, this should be fine. If you want to add some thickness, select it, and with this option, we can add thickness. This is for the inside, this is outside. I'm going to type 5 millimeters here, so it goes on the inside, and press OK. To add some bevel at the top, I will disable the grid, just to make it a bit easier. Select with holding shift with both of them, and I guess 1 millimeter should be enough. And that's about it. If this was useful to you, please leave it a like. And next I will take this to Blender and do a quick render. So if you want to see that or more videos like this, consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.